One of the oldest civilizations in the world, India is a mosaic of multicultural experiences. With a rich heritage and myriad attractions, it covers diverse terrain, extending from the snow-covered Himalayan heights to the tropical rainforests of the south. It is no doubt a place of wonder, with creative burst of cultures, races and religions, over 1 billion people and gifted nature's beauty. Its diversity is out of all bounds. Indians live with variety and thrive on diversity. There are varieties not just in food, clothing or dialect, but in sports as well. And to introduce you to this diverse world of sports, we bring to you this year's Robocon theme of Lagori. The year 2022 Asia Pacific Robot Contest, Robocon, is hosted in the heart of India's capital city, Delhi. A symbol of the country's rich past and thriving present, Delhi is a city where ancient and modern blend seamlessly together. It is a place that not only touches your pulse, but even fastens it to a frenetic speed. Home to millions of dreams, the city takes on unprecedented responsibilities of realizing dreams, bringing people closer and inspiring their thoughts. The Robocon game field consists of Red Area, Blue Area and Lagori area. Lagori is placed at the center of the game field. Red team can move in Red area and Blue team can move in Blue area. Each team area has R1 and R2 start zone with a penalty zone where a part of robot must not stay for more than 10 seconds. There are 2 ball areas in the game field, each with 3 hitter balls are placed on the ball racks before the round starts. Lagori is a tower with 5 cylindrical discs to be placed on top of one another on a square base. Each team will play game with 2 robots, namely R1 and R2. The robots can be manual or automatic. The referee will give seeker role to the red team in first round and blue team in second round. Seeker R2 will carry a ball on head during the game. Now let us understand the Lagori game played by the robots. When the setting time is over, the game will start with the start of round 1 for 90 seconds. When the round starts, Seeker R1 throws Seeker balls to break the Lagori. However, Seeker R1 can throw the balls only when all of its contact surface with the field is in the R1SZ. Seeker will score points according to the number of the broken Lagori discs. Seeker gets 5 points for each Lagori disc broken. The team can get up to 25 points. Seeker can throw Seeker balls up to 3 times during the break shot time of 30 seconds. When all 5 Lagori discs are broken or the break shot time is finished, after the referee's signal, the Seeker R2 can start piling up the Lagori discs in the remaining time in the round. Seeker gets 10 points for each Lagori disc piled up. The team can get up to 50 points. When all Lagori discs have been broken or the break shot time is finished, after the referee's signal, hitter R1 and R2 can start moving to pick up the hitter balls. Hitter R1 can throw the hitter balls at the ball on head of Seeker R2 to displace it. Hitter R2 can pick up hitter balls from the ball zone and pass them to hitter R1. However, hitter R1 can throw the balls only when all of its contact surface with the field are in the R1SZ. A round ends when one of the following conditions is met. 1. When Seeker finishes Lagori pile. 2. the ball on head of seeker R2 is displaced by the hitter ball. And 3. 90 seconds have passed from the start of the round. When the first round is over, the game will be suspended and 1 minute setting time will start immediately. Blue team, which will be the next seeker, can load up to 3 seeker balls to R1. After that, with the referee's signal, the game will restart with the start of the round 2 for next 90 seconds. When the second round is finished, the game is finished. At the end of the game, the winner will be decided in the following order. A. The team with the highest total score. B. If there is a tie, the winner will be decided in the following order. 1. The team that displaced the opponent's ball on head. 2. The team with a shorter time from the start of the round until the completion of the Lagori pile, including perfect Lagori. 3. Team with a higher score of Lagori pile. 4. To be decided by the judges. We look forward to seeing the performance of robots built by young engineers in New Delhi, India.